Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to change the server in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Yeah, to change the server, you need to exit from the game. So just press escape key and leave from the game. Yeah, once you leave from the game, choose the game and scroll down. At the bottom, you may see a server. Just go into it. Yeah, scroll down and join any one of the server and play the game. Yeah, this is how we need to change the server in Roblox. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.